Parang lagi nilang sinasabi, Miss Jayan, huwag ka munang mamamatay pag sumakses ako.
New day, new bag. So nandito tayo sa Mall of Asia and we were invited by Go Negosyo MSME Summit to be a panelist. Actually, last year pa ako nila ini-invite. But yan, finally, nandito na tayo. So let's go. Excited din ako ma-meet ang ating mga ka-negosyo. Let's go.
That's the father of your Masogi Amnesting and Pilar Valesteros Ubingkan.
So kami, nung ginawa namin yung content creation for Personal Zone, actually operational na siya kasi 2020 nag-start. So I started content creation last year, 2025. So when we started that, yung goal talaga is not to go viral, but to sell the client's experience. Tsaka na-realize namin, based din sa comments, tsaka sa audience, maraming hindi pa aware about luxury items. That's why sa content namin, nag-educate din kami. We're not just hard selling. We give value sa content namin. And I think sobrang laking factor no, sa growth ng company namin.
Nice. Miss Gia, you know what? Best and worst. How do you handle the worst?
Sa worst, hindi ko na siya inaalala kasi at the end of the day, they're just noise, di ba? Kasi kapag inisip mo pa, maapektuhan yung mental health mo and it's not healthy kasi alam mo naman yung totoo sa sarili mo. Tsaka these people, they don't know you personally. So, same with them also, sine-check ko rin if it's constructive criticism. Kapag constructive, of course, you'll learn from it, di ba? You'll listen to them. Pero kapag alam mong hateful lang talaga, wala. Labas sa kabilang tenga. And about the best naman, eto lagi kong nare-receive to sa mga comment, especially sa TikTok. Parang lagi nilang sinasabi, Miss Jayan, huwag ka munang mamamatay. Pag sumakses ako, bibili pa ako ng bag sa'yo. So parang, alam mo yun, naging milestone yung content namin or yung business namin para sa ibang tao, para sumakses in life. Sobrang fulfilling nun for me. It's more than about the business, but nakita ko yung purpose ko na nakapag-inspire pala ako ng ibang tao. And about do sa question mo, kapag na-affect ba ako ng algorithm or views, I would say yes. Sorry to say po. Siguro, part yun ng pagiging content creation mo na minsan tinitingnan mo, ilan na ba yung views? Ilan na ba yung likes? Ilan na ba yung shares? Pero at the end of the day, iniisip ko pa rin na yung content is nagko-convert. Parang sinasantabi ko rin minsan yung about algorithm.
Kumbaga quality in terms of quantity.
Yes, quality pa rin talaga.
How important para sa mga kanegosyante natin na mag-create ng sarili ng mga community or in very simplest of terms, mga suki na natin.
Super important ng community and dapat yung community nyo is built on trust and authenticity. Yun talaga yung naging foundation ng brand namin. So for me, yung client kasi if they feel like they belong to something bigger, hindi yung transactional lang na parang one-time purchase lang. Kapag feel nila na parang oh, there's a certain community, ang sarap maging belong sa community na to, then yung loyalty will follow. Focus on your long-term goals and never compromise your integrity.